Have you ever wondered how to make $10,000 a month from Instagram and Facebook? We're living in an era where the internet is not just for connecting with people, but also a platform for making money. Instagram and Facebook, two of the most popular social media platforms, are no exception. They offer a plethora of opportunities for those who know how to leverage them. If the answer is yes, then this video will guide you through the necessary steps. Social media isn't just about posting pictures or status updates. It's a powerful tool to generate income. In this digital age, social media platforms have evolved into potent arenas for business and entrepreneurship. They are not just platforms for communication and entertainment anymore. They're global marketplaces, where products are launched, brands are built, and income is generated. Think about Facebook and Instagram. They host billions of users worldwide, and they've become an integral part of our daily lives. These platforms are gold mines of opportunities. By tapping into their potential, you can reach a global audience, build your brand, and sell your products or services. And the best part? You can monetize your social media presence in various ways. From sponsored posts and affiliate marketing to selling your own products, the possibilities are endless. You can turn your passion into profit and your followers into customers. Harnessing the power of social media can lead to significant income generation. Creating a successful social media account involves more than just signing up. There's a precise art and science to it, and today we'll delve into the nuts and bolts of setting up the perfect accounts on Instagram and Facebook. Firstly, let's talk about your profile. Think of it as your digital storefront. It needs to be inviting, informative, and reflective of your brand's personality. Make sure your profile picture is clear and professional, and ideally, it should resonate with your brand's identity. Your bio should outline who you are, what you do, and what value you can offer to your followers. Remember, you only have a few seconds to make your first impression. Make it count. Next, we move on to the meat of the matter: content. Quality content is the backbone of any successful social media account. Your content should be engaging, visually appealing, and most importantly, it should provide value to your audience. Whether you're sharing an informative blog post, a fun behind-the-scenes video, or a high-quality product image, your content should speak directly to your audience's interests and needs. Now, you might have the most fantastic content in the world, but it won't matter if you're not consistent. Having a consistent posting schedule not only keeps your audience engaged, but also signals to the algorithm that your account is active and valuable. Try to post at least once a day on Instagram and 3 to 5 times a week on Facebook. And finally, we come to the most critical aspect: understanding your target audience. Knowing who your audience is, what they like, what they dislike, their challenges, and their needs are instrumental in tailoring your content. Use analytics to gather insights about your audience's demographics and behavior. This will allow you to create content that resonates with them and keeps them coming back for more. Remember, the key to a successful social media account is engaging, consistent, and targeted content. So, put on your creative hats, start crafting that compelling content, and watch your social media accounts flourish. Now that you have the perfect account, it's time to attract followers. Building a loyal following isn't something that happens overnight. It's a process that requires strategic thinking and consistent effort. One of the most effective ways to attract followers is through collaborations. Partnering with influencers or other businesses in your niche can expose your account to a wider audience. Think of it as a win-win situation. You get to tap into their audience, and they get to tap into yours. Another strategy is hosting contests. Who doesn't love winning free stuff? Contests not only attract new followers, but also boost engagement. Craft contests that require people to follow your account, like your posts, or tag their friends. This way, you're not just getting followers, you're getting interaction. Now let's talk about hashtags. Hashtags are like the GPS of social media. They help people find your content. Use relevant and popular hashtags, but don't overdo it. The key is to be strategic and relevant. But attracting followers is just half the battle. You also need to engage with them. Remember, social media is about being social. Respond to comments on your posts, engage in conversations, and don't ignore direct messages. Show your followers that you value their input. This not only strengthens your relationship with your followers, but also makes your account more attractive to new ones. Let's not forget about the value of quality content. It's what will make your followers stick around. Be consistent and authentic in your posts. Share valuable information, inspire, entertain, and most importantly, be you. Your unique voice is what differentiates you from the rest. Lastly, remember that building a following takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay patient, stay consistent, and keep engaging. A loyal following is crucial for monetization, so invest time in building and nurturing your audience. The more engaged and loyal your followers are, the more likely they are to support your monetization efforts. So, remember, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the relationships. It's about building a community. With a loyal following in place, it's time to turn those followers into dollars. But how do we do that? There are a plethora of ways to monetize your social media accounts. Let's dive into some of the most popular strategies. First off, we have affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service for a company, and for every sale made through a unique link, you earn a commission. It's like being a salesperson, but online. This works best when the products or services you're promoting align with your brand and audience. Next up is sponsored posts. Companies pay you to create content that promotes their brand or product. This could be a post, a story, a reel, or even a live video. The key here is authenticity. Your followers trust you, so it's essential to only promote products or services that you genuinely like and use. Another effective strategy is selling your own products or services. If you're a fitness guru, for example, you could sell workout plans or health supplements. If you're a photographer, you could sell prints or photography classes. The possibilities are endless. Last but not least, there's ad revenue. If you have a large enough following and meet certain criteria, social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram will pay you a portion of the ad revenue generated from your posts. It's a more passive income stream, but it can add up over time. Choosing the right monetization strategy comes down to understanding your audience, your brand, and your goals. Are your followers likely to buy what you're selling? Does promoting a certain product align with your brand? Are you looking for a more passive income or a more active one? Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to monetization. What works for one account may not work for another. It's all about testing, learning, and adjusting your strategy as you go. Choosing the right monetization strategy for your account can significantly increase your income. Consistency and persistence are the keys to turning your social media account into a money-making machine. Imagine your favorite TV show. You look forward to it because you know exactly when it airs. In the same way, your followers will anticipate your posts if they know you're reliable. Being consistent isn't just about when you post, but also what you post. Your content must align with your brand and your audience's interests. This builds trust and fosters a loyal following. But let's be real, success won't happen overnight. It requires patience. You won't gain 1 million followers in a day, nor will you make $10,000 in a month right away. Persistence is your friend here. Don't get disheartened by slow progress. Remember, every successful entrepreneur once started from zero. With consistency, persistence, and the right strategies, you can make $10,000 a month from Instagram and Facebook. So, how do you make $10,000 a month from Instagram and Facebook? It all boils down to knowing your audience and creating content that resonates with them. Building a loyal following is key, and choosing the right monetization strategy is crucial. But above all, consistency and persistence are your most valuable tools. These are not overnight strategies, but with time and effort, they can yield significant returns. Follow these steps, and you could be on your way to making $10,000 a month from Instagram and Facebook. Good luck!